Hey everybody, we are in Morton, Illinois, and doing sound check. So I'm just gonna let you watch and listen in. And Chad's up right now.
He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Doing all right now.
Andrew, what are you working on?
Frequencies on mics cut now. We had some interference.
Cool. Let's go to the back. Here's Mike. Then we'll go back here, and there's John. Wave at everybody. They can't see you because you're in the dark. Here is behind the controls, so we can control the screen. Yeah. Here's our news slide. See what everybody thinks of this. See if you can see this. We're adding this slide to the Christmas concert tonight and putting it up before our concert starts. Might change the wording, but it's going to be something like that. All right, Chad.
He's checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is right. Round.
Testing 1, 2. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish. What? It doesn't look realistic if I hold the phone over here. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go. Sounds great. Laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making the spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. More? Oh! I also test Andrew's mic every night. Andrew doesn't do his own sound check because he's a diva. No, actually, he's setting the EQ, so. Silent night. That was it. I was right on. And then I'm going to test John's. Buh. Buh. 1, 2, 1. Hey, let's do Grinch. We'll sing. This is it. Can we do that? This was a new one for the Christmas tree. Are you back there, John? Mike, can you video us? Hey, we're gonna put this. You can't, or you can. I'm gonna video it. I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna start another live video in just a minute, because I got to find somebody to hold the camera.